Another day, another withdrawal. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be making a live withdrawal from this particular platform. I've already talked about this particular platform. I've made a video on how you can be able to get started, the registration aspects, what you need to do to earn money from this platform, and then how you can be able to withdraw. Remember, I said that the minimum withdrawal from this particular platform is 3.8 USDT every single 24 hours. All right, so I wouldn't want this video to be long. I am going to proceed to place a live withdrawal. If you're yet to register with this platform, I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video and also in the comment section, so you do have to use the link to get yourself registered, recharge your account, and then start earning every single day. And if you're yet to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. What I do in this Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is to update various ways, strategies you can be able to make a whole lot of money for yourself online, right? And I'm also going to be leaving the link for the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel in the video description of this video and also in the comment section. So do well after watching this video to use the link, join the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Once we get up to 100%, we are going to shut the group and then we are going to proceed. Every single day I'll be dropping methods or strategies you'll be earning money online. Now, with all this being said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. So I am going to quickly go over here because every single day you need to perform simple tasks in this platform so you can be able to get paid. All right, so you can be able to get paid the money you will be withdrawing every single day. So I'm going to quickly click on tax over here to bring out the tax I have for the day. So this is the tax I have for the day. It doesn't take time to complete. Just go ahead and click on to complete. Once you click on to complete, it's going to load and then it will deposit the sum of 3.8 USDT in my account. So the tax has been completed successfully. So I'm going to go back to the home page to see how much that I have on my balance. So this is my home page. So as you can see over here, this has increased to 68.8 USDT. Wow, how cool is that? If I've gotten to this point, do well to click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are getting in this channel as a whole. We are almost getting to 3K subscribers, so do well to push us to 3,000 subscribers by clicking that subscribe button. Yes, after clicking the subscription button, do it to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to notify you anytime we upload some content just like this one you are watching. So let's proceed with the withdrawal. So I'm going to click over here that says me. Okay, so once I click on me, it will bring me over to this interface. So I will go ahead to click on withdrawal, right? So once I click on withdrawal, I am going to see my withdrawable balance, which is over here 3.8 USDT. All right, so I'm going to inside this box type in how many USDT I will be withdrawing. I'll just go ahead and type 3.80 USDT. My wallet address is already there because this is not the first time I'm withdrawing. This is kind of the third time I am withdrawing. So I'm going to type in my withdrawal password right inside this box and then go ahead to click on confirm, and I'm going to receive my 3.8 USDT in my Bybit wallet. All right, so let's proceed, guys. So I'm done typing my withdrawal password, so I'm going to go ahead to click over here, which is confirm, and then I will get my 3.8 USDT right straight in my Bybit account. So let's go, guys. I've clicked on confirm and it's confirming the transaction, and then boom, withdrawal successfully. So I'll be heading over to my Bybit account to see if I am going to get the sum of 3.8 USDT cooling in my Bybit wallet. So let's go, guys. So I'm in my Bybit account and as you can see over here is writing 3.8 USDT pending. So how cool is that, right? So I'm going to give it some time for it to verify and then maybe pass through some verification or whatsoever. All right, and then I will definitely get this 3.8 USDT deposited in my account. So I'm going to wait for some minutes and then refresh and see if it has entered successfully. Okay, so let me refresh. So guys, as you can see, the 3.8 USDT has successfully entered my wallet. So this is all I have for us in today's video, guys. If you're yet to get registered with this platform, I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. So do well to use the link, click on it to get yourself registered and start earning money for yourself. Do well to also join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. It's a must something. All these updates I do bring on YouTube to show you how you can be able to make a whole lot of money online. I used to send it first on my community on the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel before thinking of bringing it here on YouTube. All right, in most cases I don't even bring it here on YouTube. All right, so this is a new WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, and once we get up to 100 persons in that group, we are going to get started. So go ahead guys, use the videos link I'll be dropping in the comment section and also in the video description. Get started, and I will see you on the next one. Keep winning and know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrade. Bye.